How's it going? Today is Monday, the 15th of April, 2024. Since the last video, I've made two trades. On Friday, there was a large down day. It was like 1.5% down, I think, give or take, 1.4 or something. So I sold a new 112, which I plan on turning into a triangle. So that was open 3 days ago, as you can see, Friday to Monday. And yeah, pretty much nothing new there. Got a $150 credit, which is trade price of $30 because he times it by 5. And yeah, it was 126 days when I opened it. And then also this morning, I decided to open an at the money hedge. And I know I said I wasn't going to do these anymore, but I partially learned my lesson, at least with, I think the first time I just did it way too big. I did like a 200 point wide hedge where this is only 50, and this cost me a trade price of $18.75, which is just under $100, and I can easily make that back by just selling one naked put instead of like multiples. And this is a short-term hold. It just seems like, the market's in a short-term downtrend. So the market's gone down 3.44% from the high. And today, it looked like pre-market we were up like about 0.5% or something, maybe more. And then, man, right at open, it sold off hard. So whatever. Got unlucky with my timing because I basically bought this hedge at the bottom instead of the top, but whatever. We're currently flirting with making a new low, and in an ideal world for me, I'd want this to sell off, another 2 to 7%. I'd cash in a little bit of a free hedge, or not a free hedge, but cash in a little bit of this hedge here, and then everything goes back up. So IV has dropped a little bit since this trade opened 3 days ago. As you can see, it's up 10% already, which is great. And yeah, I guess that's it. For now, I'm holding off on opening new 112s. I will probably open a new one if and when this hedge gets closed out, or the market just drops. We've gone down 3.5%. If we go down a total of 5% on this overall pullback, yeah, if we hit about 5%, I'd probably open another one. And yeah, just let things keep rolling. Just got to wait like a month or 2 months now with all these trades. This one, even though it's down $100, it still has a 93% pop. So it looks ugly short term, and certainly on my smaller account here, both this defined risk one and the futures, they got hit pretty hard on that big down day because IV spiked, and also the price obviously moved down like almost 100 points. So with these small accounts, you're going to have to withstand much larger movements in your P&L for your whole account. I mean, that's like in one day, I lost like $100. So that's like 5% of my account just on this trade alone. So yeah, but I don't see a way around it. I mean, you got to be a little more risky with these smaller dollar amounts, or else you would get stopped out of trades all the time, or you'd be trading so small that it almost wouldn't be worth it. So anyways, that's how it's rolling now. And it'd be sweet if we had another little dump here and, I could make $20, $50 off this hedge. So, all right, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you later.